Hey you, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ladessa. You spell that L-A capital D-E-S-S-A. L to the D to the L to the D to the L to the D to the Ladessa. What's good? How are you doing? If you are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are one of my regular schmegulars, what it do, boo? Yes, so in my last video, I shared with you that I got all 8 of the new e.l.f. Bite Size palettes. So today we are going to get into this eye look that I am presenting you right now, and also some products that I've purchased a while back and I just haven't used them, and it's time to see what's all doing with them. So if you want to see how I created this eye look and see what else I've purchased, then let's go to the other side. All right? How are you doing? I'm doing good. School is kicking my ass. All right, let's go.
Ashtray. Ashtray, bitch!
Okay, look. TP. Blame TP. That line is going to go down in Sharknado type movie history. Hopefully you can understand me. I have my retainer in and I need to keep wearing it because I haven't been wearing it and my teeth are shifting. So I try to reduce the amount of talking that I'm doing and just get into it. And at this point, I need to be e.l.f. sponsored. But I do want to show you looks from each one of the bite-sized palettes. Today we're going to be focusing on hot jalapeno. I already have one eye done. I need to moisturize, and I'm just going to be using some products on the rest of my face that are products that I've purchased that I have not used. One of them being this little mini of the Fenty Original Primer, and I heard, like, when it first came out, a lot of people saying it dubbed as moisturizer, so I need to moisturize my face. It smells really good. I need a mirror. This mirror is a bit magnifying, the one I have in my hand. Never noticed that before on a compact. Okay, yeah, this is you can feel it kind of matting down. It's a soft matte primer. Just using that as my moisturizer. All right, that's cool, that'll work. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this eye look. And I need something on my lips. So I have pretty much gotten away from like taking recommendations from like the larger influencers. I pretty much watch smaller YouTube channels just because I want to feel like, you know, I have something in common with them. But this Essence Shine Wet Look Lip Gloss that Alyssa Ashley talked about, this is the bomb. It is so juicy, and you know I got a nice set of soup coolers on me, and this right here is the bomb. It really does just make your lips look so wet, and it's not sticky at all. It's just like the perfect consistency and all that. Alright, so now I'm going to go into the e.l.f. Putty Primer Eye Primer. I got the one in black. I just really like the way shimmers look over a black base. So I'm going to apply that. Alright, so now I'm going to go into the jalapeno, and I'm going to use this green, this one right here. There's a little bit of fallout, but I think that's also because of the brush. Like, I really went in and dug in. So the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer, I'm gonna put that down so I can have that glow from within. Alright, and so can you believe all of the makeup that I've purchased? I've never purchased the Nars foundation. So I initially tried to purchase the Sheer Glow in Macau, and it was too gray. So I wound up getting this in the Natural Radiant. So I should be nice and glowy. And this has the yellow warm undertone that I need. So it's my first time using it, so we'll see how much coverage I get. You don't get very much out of the pump, so I hope I didn't pump too much. So this is, I put 4 pumps on my hand, the back of my hand. Really nice. I was tripping. Nice skin-like finish. Okay. All right, and then e.l.f. has come out with a hydrating camo concealer, and you know I had to get it. What am I doing? Where is it? Oh, here it is. Alright, to set the rest of my face, I'm going to use my Dermablend Warm Saffron Powder. Setting the places that I put the concealer, and then I'm actually going to use this Nars powder that I got when I got the foundation. To set everywhere else. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today. Hold on, let me take this retainer out. Makes it really difficult to speak. So anyway, thank you for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will say, of all of the new things that I used, I don't like the Fenty Pro Filter Soft Matte, what is this? Primer. I don't like it. It just, I don't know. I didn't like it. It made my base feel dry, so I thought, because I had heard it kind of has some moisturizing effects to it, and that it said it was soft matte, that it would just kind of prepare my base for the natural radiant, because it was my understanding that this is more of a hydrating foundation, but it made it look really dry. Excuse me, it came across my skin, the undertone was looking a little gray, and it said that this Macao, the Long Radiant, had more of a warm undertone than a neutral undertone, so maybe, I don't know, but I warmed up my face with some bronzer, and now I'm happy with the way that it looks. So, what else? Oh yes, I really like this Nars setting powder. It is in Sunstone. It reminds me of like the Sephora Micro Smooth or the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. It doesn't really warm up the face, which is why I had to use a bronzer. So that's it. I do like that I'm getting a little glow from within, thanks to the e.l.f. Luminous putty. And oh, what else did I use? Oh, the e.l.f. putty eye primer. What I will say is it seemed to kind of get a little dry fast. So maybe it has like some mattifying properties to it. So I don't know how much use I'll get out of it, but you know, whatever. It's e.l.f. I like e.l.f. You know how I do about them. That's just that on that. Well, I thank you again for hanging out with me today. Always remember to pack light, because bag lady, bag man, you and me too, we are going to hurt our backs dragging all them bags like that. Go forth and slay. I'll see you next time. Oh, next time, this one right here. Yes, we got to deal with it. We got to mess with it. We got to see what it do. All right, I'll see you. Bye. Hey, bye.
Good, feel the beat. Chicka, 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 chicka. Now take it to the right. Move that boogie body, yeah. It's okay, move that boogie body.
We on our War You Fam shit, you heard? Thank you, come again. Gang, gang, gang. Shitting me.